Hello guys, so on this video I want to show you how you can withdraw money from your Revolut trading account or the money that you have invested in your Revolut investment account. So just keep on watching. Let me show you how you can withdraw your money from your Revolut account. If you don't have a Revolut account, you can watch this video by creating your own Revolut account. And if you want to withdraw your money from your Revolut account, you just need to keep on watching this video. Only what I'm asking from you is for you to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us head over to my smartphone. This is where I'm going to show you everything you need to know on this video. So the first thing we need to do is to open our Revolut account. Now that I have opened my Revolut account, the next thing I need to do now is to withdraw my money that I have invested on my Revolut invest account. So all I need to do now is to click on invest, the section where it said invest on my Revolut invest account. Click on invest and it's going to open it. Once you open, you see the capital of what you have invested on that your Revolut investment account, and at the bottom you will find the brands or the companies that you have invested your money on. So you can see that I've invested in Coca-Cola, Gogo, Tesla, and automatic shares that you will find that I've invested my money on. So what I need to do now to withdraw my money, the first thing, we need to sell our money so that they will send it to our broker account. Then from our broker account, we cannot send that money into our Revolut bank account. Then we cannot withdraw it into our preferable bank or where we want to send the money to. So the first thing, let us say I want to withdraw my shares that I have on my Gogo share. I will click on Gogo. Sorry, I click on Coca-Cola. Go back, click on Gogo here, and it's letting me know that I have invested $37.53. So what I need to do now is to click on sell. That is, if you want to withdraw your money, you have to sell it. Here you can click on like 10% of this your share, 25% of this your share, or 50%, or you sell all. You can see the is giving us the possibility to sell all, or we can just choose it by percentage. I will click on sell all, and it's going to pop this up, letting me know that I'm going to sell my $37 slash or 0.53 cent. That is what I have on my Revolut investment account. All I need to do now is to click on review, and it's going to pop this up showing me what I will get right now if I sell my share. And once I sell my share, it will be pushed to my broker account. From my broker account, I can now withdraw this money to my Revolut bank online banking account, and from there I can withdraw it into my local bank account. So that is how you can do it. Once I click on submit, this money will arrive tomorrow, which is on the 4th of this month, and that is all I just need to do. And once you have done this, once you click on submit, you will receive your share tomorrow. Just be patient, you will receive it. Take one day and you will receive your share on Revolut platform. So I will go back now and go back, and I want us to go back to our broker account, which is the first page you landed when I start showing you about, when I start talking about how you can withdraw your money on those tutorial. So I'm going to go back here. So this is now your broker account. So this is your broker account, and this is how it looks. So what you need to do now is to withdraw the money. You can see the icon of withdraw. You can see the right withdraw at the bottom. Once you click on it, it's going to pop this up, and it's going to show you the amount of money you have and different currency that you have money on. So you can see that I have money in dollars and in euros. So let us say I want to withdraw my money in euros. All I need to do now is to click on euro. It's going to be asking me to enter the amount of money I want to withdraw. So what I need to do now, I will enter like $1. So once I enter $1 here and I click on withdraw, automatically the money will be withdrawn and it will be sent into my Revolut online banking account. So let us go back and check it out. So I'll go to Revolut. You can see what it's saying here, stock slash personal. Once I click on it, you will see that the $1 that we withdraw from our investment account have arrived on our online banking Revolut account. So everything is just in the same platform, but you just need to know how to maneuver them and move around with it. So now that we have withdrawn the money into our Revolut online banking account, what we need to do now is to transfer it into our local bank account. So how to do that? The first thing you need to do is to click on the part where it said transfer or payment. So once I click on payment here, it's going to open up this page and you are going to find an icon at the side here. So if I click on this icon, Revolut is going to block my screen recording because I cannot record this process. So I just want to explain it to you in details. So once you click on this plus icon, it's going to pop a page up. I will add a screenshot on the screen so that you will see what I'm talking about. Once you click on that plus icon, it's going to pop this up that you can see on the screen, and you are going to click on bank transfer. And here you can select the country where you are right now. Once you select it, it's going to ask you to enter your RIB, which is your IBAN, and your first name and last name. And you click on add recipient and it will be added. So to send money is very simple too. Go back, go to the home menu where it said transfer. Once you click on transfer, just like you did in the first time, then you need to click on your name. You just need to search for that your name that you use on that bank. Just search for it here and you are going to find it. You just need to click on that your name. Let us say God's Power. I'll click on God's Power here, and all I need to do now is to click on send. And here is going to allow me to enter the amount of money I want to transfer into my bank account, my local bank account. I can say like €1 and I click on send. And here it's letting me know that I want to send this money. If I want to proceed, I will click on send. Normally you can see here that they are not charging you to send money into your local bank account. It's 100% free. That is why I like Revolut. You have to bear in mind that I'm using Revolut Pro. So for you, they might ask for a little bit of fee, like 2 cents or 3 cents or 5 cents. Just depend on the country where you are. So I will click on send, and voila, you can see your transfer to God's Power has been sent, and you are going to find your recipient information, and that is everything you just need to know. And that is how you can withdraw money from your investment account into your bank account on this video. So that is how you can transfer your invested money into your local bank account. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget, like this video, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section, guys. I will see you on my next upcoming video.